Dallas Mavericks 2026-27, preview big offseason moves and what to expect fire basketball. The Dallas Mavericks, 18 months removed from arguably the most shocking trade in NBA history, are on a path back to postseason contention. And this summer has featured a host of changes that the franchise hopes can achieve that goal sooner rather than later. The Mavericks made major front office moves this offseason, most notably hiring Masai Ujiri as team president and replacing head coach Jason Kidd with Michigan's Dusty May. All of it has been geared toward maximizing reigning Rookie of the Year Cooper Flagg, who will enter year 2 with a roster that is better built for his all-around game. But how quickly can Flagg turn Dallas into a winner? ESPN's staff of experts is looking back at the offseason and taking an early look at the 2026-27 season for all 30 teams, with 30 pieces, one for every team, rolling out each weekday through Sept 18. We're answering the biggest looming questions, evaluating X factors, and much more for all 30 teams. The major changes made by the Mavericks this offseason were in the managerial and coaching ranks. After a season-long search, team governor Patrick Dumont hired Masai Ujiri to run the franchise's basketball operations, bringing the architect of the Toronto Raptors' 2019 title team to Dallas. Ujiri decided to part ways with coach Jason Kidd and recruited Dusty May, fresh off an NCAA title with Michigan, to replace him. Johnson, who played for May at Michigan before the Mavs selected him with the number 9 pick in the draft, is the headliner of the additions to the roster. Dallas added 3 potential immediate contributors in a 6-team deal, acquiring former Grizzlies forward Santi Aldama, ex-Pistons guard Marcus Sasser, and EuroLeague veteran Tarek Bajborovic. The franchise also landed former number 1 pick as part of the trade that sent Luguentz Dort from the Oklahoma City Thunder to the Atlanta Hawks, Tim McMahon. Dallas loaded up on big forwards this summer. With Flagg and Washington already on the team, the Mavericks traded for Aldama and Risasher and drafted Johnson in the lottery. The Mavericks now have a glut in the frontcourt, where they kept Gafford and Lively and matched the Knicks' offer sheet for Sis. But little backcourt depth remains, which makes Kyrie Irving's return from an ACL tear even more important next season.